Hey, my name is Neli of Neli Music, and today I took you to the Rilla Mountain. So magnificent. We're near Peak Malovica. I'm too much of a weep to climb the whole way, so we went to the hut. I had some tasty beans, but it's still cold, so you can buy me a coffee to heat me up, maybe? And support what I do for our guitar family. Thanks so much for your support regardless. And also, this is a little bit of a taste of what the vlogs that my Buy Me a Coffee members could have access to. If we get enough members, we could have this quality footage. How awesome is this? And this quality editing as well by Joro, who's awesome and is one of our guitar tutors as well. That's Renton, he's also one of our guitar tutors. Yeah, he's not Joro. That's not Joro, this is Renton. Currently, our vlogs are kind of scuffed, you know, with my phone, my own crappy editing skills. But this could be what you get, so it's up to you whether it happens or not. And something else that's mega cool before we head all the way down is all the way over there. The cute doggo! He likes being petted. He's a little bit cold. Nice little pet. He's so warm and cute. Look at his paws. Cute doggo. Let's let him sleep. Thanks so much for your support, and I am very grateful to have you in my life and also be a part of my guitar family. Link for Buy Me a Coffee is in my bio. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. This is last minute stuff. This was not planned. Are we still recording?